Hello! Today is a happy day for my kids because they are getting their first gaming console. As a parent, I am a total beginner when it comes to this stuff because I have never owned a gaming console before. That's why today I am unboxing and setting it up. This is the Sony PlayStation 5 Digital Edition, meaning there is no disk drive for physical game copies. However, you can buy one later and connect it, just in case a friend surprisingly shows up with PS4 or PS5 game discs. I also bought a second gaming controller, since only one comes in the box. But now let's unbox this PS5 to see what's inside and get it set up.
Don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this torsion, and everything is growing up. Don't know if I can find my way out. In this reaching out, I'm reaching the end. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching the end. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. Reaching out.